Yeah, Radical Nation celebration, 400 views.
It's good.
Nature with the Kool-Aid Man shirt. Tell them niggas about the 400 views.
We officially got 400, count it, 400,
Ha.
100 views. You ain't ready for that. They ain't ready for that shit.
Look at this broke-ass RTA bus. Niggas getting to the back of the bus. They love that slavery shit. King Leo about to go to work. They be ugly. Huh? Oh shit! My dumb ass. Get more speed, yo. What the fuck was that?
Are you ready?
This is the kind of ratchet house we got in Dayton. Red Pants Shouty. Ratchet assholes that wear red pants. Swear she swag.